Hi, I'm Greg Reynolds from Zon Support, and I'm really looking forward to talking to you all at the Global Sources Summit in Hong Kong, starting on April 27. We manage a large number of Amazon accounts, so every day we get a direct insight into what's working well and what's not. We do all the exciting stuff, like managing low-star reviews, product replacements, complaints, returns, and a whole lot more. Over the last 2 years, we've learned a lot about the platform, especially as it's evolved. So we've pretty much kept up to date with Amazon every day. It doesn't matter if you're a new seller or you're out there selling millions. You'll get a ton of great information and some key actionable steps. I'll also talk to you about product inserts and walk you through the mindset of how to turn returns and refunds to your advantage. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.